distinguished guest, Mr. Arnel B. Libres. To our beloved school head, Mr. Enrique P. Duyag. To our PTA President, Mr. Melchor L. Catahog. To our Barangay Captain, Honorable Jerry R. Escobedo. To our guests, our dynamic teachers, our dear parents, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. In behalf of the graduating class, I am Zoe Rafael C. Russell, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to the closing exercise of Cambao Elementary School for the school year 2023 to 2024 with that theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Filipino Youth for Stronger Future of the New Philippines. The most significant event in a pupil's life is none other than graduation. It's remarkable to think that our past 6 years are coming to a close. And since it is the end of this stage in our education, let's take a moment to think about this journey that we have taken together. It's been full of twists and turns, and now bring us a mixture of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals, and pain for saying goodbye to the people who became a part of our lives. My fellow graduates, it is a fantastic achievement for each of us to have made it here today. And I am proud to share this moment with all of you. I wish you all good luck for the years to come, and may God bless us with wisdom and success. Once again, you are all welcome, and let us make this day an enjoyable one. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Zoe, Rafael, for that warm welcome. And now, the most significant moment in every graduation ceremony has come.